Hold on, y'all. Look at, Lord, let me zoom in. Y'all see it? It's a big ass falcon or hawk. It flew in to get something. I guess a mouse or a rabbit or... That bird is huge, y'all. Look. Oh, Lord. Is that a hawk? I can't get out. I am actually in a subdivision and I saw it fly down and I decided to stop. It's getting something, y'all. I don't know. I hope it ain't stuck because it's a fence right in front of it. So I think it is either a hawk or a falcon. It looks like a hawk. Beautiful. All right, guys, gotta go. Bye. Nature repair, baby.